In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the email return address in Salesforce so replies to your outbound messages go exactly where you expect. Start by clicking your profile icon in the top right and opening Settings to access your personal configuration area. In the left sidebar search, type My Email Settings and select it from the results. On that page, locate the Return Email Address field and update it with the inbox you want replies sent to, whether that's your direct address or a monitored team mailbox. Keep in mind this controls reply routing, but organization-wide addresses, email relays, or admin policies may override what recipients ultimately see. If the field is locked or missing, it's usually permission-based and requires admin support. After saving, test by sending a quick email to confirm behavior. Subscribe for more clear and practical Salesforce tutorials.